Hi, I'm Jerry Papa with Gulfview Realty Property Management, and welcome to our FAQ page. Today, where we're going to talk about, I have a troublesome tenant in my property and I don't know what to do next. Well, you've come to the right place, because at Gulfview Realty Property Management, we are trained in how to deal with this element that sometimes becomes ever concerning to the owner because the tenant or tenants who may be living in the property may be living a lie. Living a lie? What does that mean? That means that instead of 2 people that are on the lease living in the property, there's 6 people living in the property. Living a lie also can mean that the folks are never available for having a spot check done on the property. And when you go to the door, instead of hearing silence or maybe the child that is supposed to be living in the property along with their parents, you hear 3 pit bulls barking on the other side of the door. In this particular case, you got problems. And this is where we come in as a professional property management company. A thorough evaluation of the individual or individuals that are stakeholders in the lease has to be taken into account before they move forward with placement. But you're not at that point now. You're at the point where these people are living in your property and subsequently they are not answering your requests. In fact, they've even had the locks changed in the property so you can't even get into the property. This is where you have to seek out a professional in this business. Yeah, folks, we don't have all the answers, but we are much more equipped to manage this process than most in the industry. That's because we have ongoing training in lease and property management. We are very familiar with the Landlord-Tenant Act. We are members of the Lease and Property Management Council at the local real estate boards, etc. When we come into a situation like this, we will completely evaluate it from the beginning. Subsequently, we will work with the owner to find a way out of this situation. And if necessary, we will start moving forward with all the legal actions that need to take place, including the serving of 3-day notices, a 7-day notice to cure, and so on and so forth, so that ultimately we gain access to the property by way of legal means and subsequently have evaluated the property for what it is, and if necessary, to move forward with eviction of those tenants and subsequently putting good qualified folks that have been background screened thoroughly, etc., into the property, or moving forward in any direction that ultimately means that that owner is going to have a better life in dealing with the non-cash flow issues and or the problematic issues of dealing with the property itself. So when you think about what can be done, reach out to a professional in the business. I'm Jerry Papa with Gulfview Realty Property Management, and thank you for visiting our FAQ page, and you can reach us also by way of gulfviewteam.com. Thank you and have a great day.